dry, damaged, or overprocessed hair can benefit greatly from a deep conditioner. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best deep conditioners that will nourish, hydrate, and restore your hair. Whether you have curly, straight, fine, or thick hair, these deep conditioners are designed to address a variety of hair concerns, leaving you with soft, shiny, and manageable locks. Let's get started and find the perfect match for your hair care routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ouai Treatment Mask. The Ouai Treatment Mask is a high-performance deep conditioner formulated to hydrate and repair hair from the inside out. Perfect for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, this mask works to restore moisture and elasticity, leaving hair soft and shiny. Key features: infused with nutrient-rich ingredients like shea butter, avocado oil, and keratin, this mask helps repair and strengthen hair, while its amino acid blend ensures deep hydration. Free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, the formula nourishes without stripping the hair's natural oils. The pleasant fragrance is an added bonus, offering a luxurious experience. Benefits and usage: Ouai Treatment Mask is designed for use once or twice a week. Apply generously to damp, towel-dried hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. It provides an instant boost of moisture and makes hair more manageable, shiny, and healthy looking. Usability: this mask is suitable for all hair types, especially those with dry or damaged hair. It's lightweight, yet intensely moisturizing, ensuring that hair is nourished without feeling weighed down. Ideal for weekly use to revive and maintain the health of your hair. Durability: the generous size of the Ouai Treatment Mask means it lasts for several applications, making it a great value for the quality and results it provides. The packaging is sleek and easy to use, ensuring the product remains fresh until the last use. In the second spot, we have Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair. Briogeo's Don't Despair, Repair Deep Conditioning Mask is an award-winning treatment that targets dry, brittle, and damaged hair. This formula is packed with natural ingredients that restore moisture, shine, and strength to even the most damaged strands. Key features: the mask is enriched with a unique blend of rosehip oil, algae extract, and B vitamins, all known for their hair repairing and moisturizing properties. It's free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and silicones, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive scalps or who prefer clean beauty products. Benefits and usage: Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair deeply nourishes hair, helping to improve elasticity and restore shine. Apply a generous amount to damp hair after shampooing, leave it on for 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. For an intensive treatment, leave it on longer. It helps strengthen hair over time, reducing breakage. Usability: ideal for all hair types, especially damaged and dry hair, this mask is designed to hydrate without weighing hair down. The rich, creamy texture makes it easy to apply and spread, leaving your hair feeling soft and silky after every use. Durability: the mask's formula is concentrated, so a little goes a long way. It comes in a large container, providing several uses. The packaging is sturdy and convenient, ensuring long-lasting use without spilling or losing product. Coming in at number 3 is the Redken All Soft Heavy Cream. Redken's All Soft Heavy Cream is a deeply moisturizing treatment formulated for extremely dry and brittle hair. It provides intense hydration, making it a go-to product for those seeking softness and shine without the use of harsh chemicals. Key features: this mask is enriched with argan oil, which is renowned for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft and deeply nourish from the inside out. It also contains silk amino acids, which work to smooth and strengthen the hair, making it less prone to breakage. Its rich, creamy texture makes it perfect for thick, coarse hair. Benefits and usage: Redken All Soft Heavy Cream is ideal for providing intense moisture to dry, overprocessed hair. Apply generously to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. It will leave your hair feeling silky smooth and well-nourished, with a soft, touchable finish. Usability: this mask is especially effective for those with coarse or thick hair, as it helps tame frizz and flyaways while adding a healthy shine. It can be used once a week or more frequently depending on the level of dryness. Durability: the thick, creamy formula ensures that each use will deeply nourish and protect your hair, and the 250 ml container will last for several months, making it a great value. Its rich consistency means a little goes a long way, so the product lasts much longer than many other deep conditioners. Taking our fourth spot is Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. Living Proof's Restore Mask Treatment is designed to repair and restore dry, damaged, and processed hair. This treatment provides both immediate results and long-term benefits, making it a must-have for anyone looking to restore their hair's natural health. Key features: the Restore Mask Treatment is formulated with a patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, which helps to protect hair from environmental damage while strengthening and repairing. It also contains a blend of nourishing ingredients that hydrate the hair, leaving it shiny and soft. It's free of sulfates and parabens, offering a safe, effective solution for your hair care routine. Benefits and usage: this mask helps to nourish and repair hair, making it a great choice for those with heat-damaged or chemically treated hair. After washing, apply the product to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing for a silky, revitalized finish. Usability: Living Proof Restore Mask is ideal for dry, damaged, or coarse hair. It's lightweight yet intensely hydrating, making it a great treatment for any hair type. The formula is non-greasy, leaving hair feeling refreshed and light after use. Durability: the potent formula ensures that you won't need to use a lot of product to achieve results. The product lasts several weeks, even with regular use, and the convenient packaging ensures that it remains easy to use and store. And finally, at number 5, we have Pureology Hydrate Superfood Mask. Pureology's Hydrate Superfood Mask is a nourishing treatment specifically designed to hydrate dry, color-treated hair. This vegan, sulfate-free formula is packed with superfoods like coconut oil and avocado, which work together to replenish moisture and restore softness. Key features: this mask contains antioxidants like sunflower seed extract, which protect color-treated hair from fading, while the blend of jojoba oil and green tea extract promotes hydration and smoothness. The superfood-rich formula helps improve hair texture and elasticity. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and silicones, making it a safe option for color-treated and sensitive scalps. Benefits and usage: Pureology Hydrate Superfood Mask helps hydrate, smooth, and restore color-treated hair, ensuring that it stays vibrant and soft. Apply generously to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends, and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. Usability: ideal for dry, color-treated hair, this mask is a game-changer for maintaining both the health and color of your locks. The creamy texture makes it easy to apply, and it doesn't weigh hair down. Durability: the mask's rich formula means that a little goes a long way. The generous 6.7-ounce jar lasts for multiple uses, and the high-quality ingredients ensure that it will provide long-lasting benefits. The packaging is eco-friendly and designed to keep the product fresh for an extended period. And that concludes our review of the top 5 best deep conditioners for healthier, shinier hair. Each of these products offers unique benefits, from intense hydration to color protection. Whether you're battling dryness, damage, or frizz, there's a deep conditioner here to suit your needs. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to gorgeous, nourished hair every day.